My name is Clarissa, and for this presentation, I'll be talking about graphing data in the cloud. So in this project, temperature and humidity data are received from the MKR IoT carrier, and they'll be sent to the Arduino Cloud via Wi-Fi. The components used in this project are the temperature and humidity sensor, which is called HTS221, as well as the display. Now for the code. So here we have the Arduino name, and it's the Arduino MKR Wi-Fi 1010. And as you can see here, it's saying over the cloud. And this library has to be included for the code to run. And here's some more libraries that the MKR IoT carrier needs to be able to run. And for the setup, we start with a serial begin, which initializes the serial and waits for the port to open. So this signifies 9.6 seconds. And then we have a delay here, which gives the chance to wait for a serial monitor without blocking if none is found. And here is defined in thing properties.h, which has to be included. And this code connects to the Arduino IoT Cloud. And for this code, it's set to false because currently the Arduino is not in the case. But if it was in the case, it would have to be changed to true. And this is a debugging message. And now this while loop waits to get cloud connection to initialize carrier. So it updates the cloud and it sends this message to the Arduino display. And there is a small delay. Now for the void loop, the Arduino Cloud is being updated and it is reading temperature and humidity. And this serial print is being sent to the serial monitor, which I will show later. So currently I have the Arduino connected to a power strip. And I will show that it is working without being connected to the computer. By going to dashboards, and here is the live reading of the temperature and humidity. And here's the Arduino, and it says connected to dashboard. And so down here by the water droplet is the sensor. And so right now it's kind of steady, and when I touch it, the temperature should go up as well as the humidity. And they are increasing, and I'm taking my finger off, and I will also show the Arduino dashboard on the phone. Which reads the same as the one on the computer because they're sharing the same cloud. And so now I will show the serial monitor, which means the Arduino will be temporarily unplugged and plugged back into the power. So it's unplugged and it's not working. And it will take a moment to start up because according to the code, it takes about 9.6 seconds for it to start. And we will go to things and back to the sketch. And here is the serial monitor. And it's not working. And it just took a second to work. So the first numbers are the so the first number is the temperature, and the second number is the humidity. And I'll put my finger on the sensor again. And humidity is increasing quickly because my hands are sweaty. And the temperature is slowly increasing. And yeah. And that was the graphing cloud. And that was graphing data in the cloud. Thank you.